Hey everyone!
Normally I give the hellos.
We should, you know, we should sync before we go live. Maybe, no? No, okay.
Nah.
Anyway,
We
hi.
just wing it.
It's Thursday, and that means it's Cheese of the Week, and you'll notice I didn't ask him because he's perpetually confused about what we do on what day and what day of the week it is anyway. So, welcome to Cheese of the Week. Happy Thursday to you all. And today, I'm kind of excited for two reasons. One, because wine, and two, because cheese you can eat with a spoon.
Yeah, and normally when you find a bunch of cheese that's spreadable, it's usually full of all kinds of nefarious ingredients.
But this one is from the great state of Vermont. Go New England! This is actually Cabot, and it is port wine spreadable cheddar. And the ingredients are Vermont cheddar cheese, pasteurized milk, cheese cultures, salt and enzymes, water, reduced lactose whey, cream, upstate New York port wine, whey, sorbic acid, which is a preservative, sea salt, guar gum, lactic acid, red and blue colors. Contains milk, may contain traces of soy, wheat, eggs and tree nuts. So, apart from those two colours at the end, this is really clean, and it's basically just spreadable cheese. It really is spreadable cheese, and I was super excited. And when I used to drink a long time ago, port was my thing, and although I don't anymore, I still love the flavour of port. So I was excited to get a little bit of porty yum in a box of cheese. What would you like to say, sir?
I actually haven't been much of a port drinker, so this is going to be kind of fairly new to me.
So this is what it looks like.
And I'm kind of wishing I had crackers at the moment.
And that's what it looks like. And we're unprepared. We have no crackers.
Oh, crackers. Oh, thank you.
Because crackers are not easy to come by on keto.
Definitely taste the cheddar on this. There is a little hint of wine.
Ooh!
Kind of salty. It's very tasty.
Wow, that's cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
That is some fantastic Vermont strong, what do you call it here? Sharp cheddar.
Mm-hmm. What do you call it in England?
Strong.
When are you people going to learn how to speak English?
Don't go there. Don't go there. You know I've been having software issues today.
Oh yeah.
Don't go there. Oh, I just got the port.
Yeah, it seems like the port's almost like marbled in there. You'll get the cheddar, and then you'll eat down a little bit, and then you'll get a little bit of the port.
So this is delicious. If you can get yourself some keto crackers, this would be very nice. However, a caution. I love it. If you're not a fan of sharp, like super sharp cheddar, don't go here.
Those are weird people. Not a fan of sharp cheddar?
We're not here to judge.
I am sometimes.
No,
Okay.
we're not here to judge.
Okay, I won't judge.
Yeah.
You're just wrong.
Yeah. So if you're not a fan, this is sharp. This is sharp cheddar. There's a whole bunch of cheddariness going on here. So if you do like some good sharp cheddar, this on keto crackers would be fabulous.
Another place that would probably be really good too is if you crisp up some salami or some of those prosciutto and turn them into almost like a cracker type thing. You could spread some of that on there.
Maybe a little bit salty.
Maybe. It is already a little bit salty, but
But anyway, so if sharp's not your thing, this probably isn't your thing. If you do like a good, strong, sharp cheddar, and you like the winey taste that's going on, this is fabulous.
It is really good.
It is really good, and it's Cabot from Vermont, port wine spreadable cheddar.
Very
Ta-da!
tasty. Yep. All right. See you guys next time.
See ya.